Too much history, have you make it so hard to live, yeah. What you do? Big old man thing.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having happy holidays. If you're new here, I'm Nekeisha. If you're not, hey girl, what's up? If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe at the end of the video. And as you guys can tell, today we're gonna be doing a Christmas wish list video / Christmas ideas. So I do have a list that I wrote down. I could have did it on my phone, but I wanted to write it because I like to write and I'm extra. But just a few Christmas gift ideas and what I would like for Christmas. So we're gonna jump right into the video, and I'm gonna be putting up pictures and stuff. I think I am gonna put in the price of all the items just so like it's easier for the viewers so you guys know like the range. I have a range of expensive to inexpensive things. So anyways, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off with something pretty simple, pretty basic. I'm not gonna say basic, but it's nice and it's simple. It's a Pandora bracelet, Pandora ring, Pandora necklace. Pandora jewelry is really good quality. I have two Pandora bracelets, but one of them my mom is wearing, and I have this one. I only have 2 charms on it and one of them broke, you feel me? But I had this bracelet for years. I do have a necklace from Pandora. It's sitting over there, but I just don't really wear it because I like gold jewelry. Pandora does have gold jewelry, but all the jewelry that I have from Pandora is silver. But yeah, Pandora has great necklaces and rings. Yeah. So now the next gift that I would say, depending on who you're giving a gift to, is a wig. For me personally, there's this wig from this company called Mega Look Hair, and the wig is called the Purple Highlight Wig. Okay, this wig is so fire. This was supposed to be the wig that I was gonna get for my birthday and wear my whole outfit, but my birthday I was sick, so I never got to wear it. But yeah, I don't know about y'all, but I would love a wig for Christmas. Like, a wig is a good gift, and the prices range depending on the company and stuff. All right, so next I would say a camera case. This is for somebody who might be into photography, content creation, and along with a camera case you can get them a phone case. I feel like that would be good. These are more like affordable things, you know. I got you, but I don't got it like that, you feel me? Still something, and it's still something, it's still a gift that I would appreciate it. I don't know about y'all, but I would appreciate it. All right, so now we're getting, this is a little bit more expensive. The next item on our list is going to be the pink 10th generation iPad. The pink iPad 10th generation, that iPad is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I've never wanted an iPad, I never wanted a tablet before, but now I'm getting more like into content creating. I really do want an iPad to like keep my, like have my own little planner in there. It's easy for me to just bring with me everywhere, and I have access to like everything that I would have on my phone and my laptop like in the iPad, so I could just really just go anywhere with it. So iPad is very convenient, so I feel like that would be a really good gift. It doesn't have to be the pink generation, but the pink generation is, whoa, the pink generation, it doesn't have to be the pink one, but the pink one is really cute. I feel like it will make a really nice gift. So next, this is also one of my personal things on my Christmas wish list, is the all black mackage jacket. So this mackage, oh my god, is so cute. I love it. I don't really see a lot of people with it, really. I see more people with like the brown one, or if it's black, it's with the fur that's like black and white, or like kind of grayish. That's what I see most people with, but the all black one is just so sleek. It just looks really expensive and put together. I just love that jacket, and I'm gonna have it. I will have it. It's a big investment, yes. It's like $1,000 something for the jacket, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all, that jacket is it. Like, it's really it, and I just love it. That's just me personally. All right, next will be the Sunburst Uggs, also all black. This is my personal. They have other colorways. They have gray and black. They have the brown one with like the white fur, and then they have the all black. I don't think they have any other colorways, but the all black one is what I would personally like. I'll personally get this on my Christmas wish list. I feel like it would go really good with like the all black mackage and the all black Uggs. It's just giving expensive and sleek and put together. I didn't realize I loved all black until like this summer. Everybody was like, you're always wearing all black, like da da da. But I just love black. I don't know, I just do, and it looks really good and expensive and put together. So next is the Jordan 11s, the cherry ones that just came out. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I got them. So this was on my Christmas wish list, and I actually did get them. My boyfriend bought them for me. Thank you so much, babe. But yeah, y'all, so I actually did get those, but those will also make a really good gift. I know right now the price for those is a little steep. The retail price for mine was like $180 something, I believe, but it does range depending on your size and stuff like that. But y'all, I know that resale price is gonna be crazy, but it would also be a really good gift, especially because they came out during the holiday season. They definitely give Christmas vibes with the red and white. But I don't know, the price is a little crazy, but it does make a good gift. All right, so next is the Vivienne Westwood. I think that's how you say it, Vivienne Westwood. Those necklaces and the bracelets and the earrings. First of all, I just want to say I never knew that that was like a high-end luxury brand. I did not know that until I was trying to do some research because I wanted a necklace, and I seen they was like 180 something. I was like, I thought everybody was getting these on Amazon. Like, I was so confused. But I'm not gonna lie, the necklaces are really pretty, so are the earrings and the bracelets. It's just, I don't know what it is, I don't know what that design is, but it's so fire to me and I love it. But I wouldn't get it in silver, I would get it in gold. I see a lot of people wearing it in silver, but I like gold jewelry, so I would get it in gold. All right, so next would be an MCM purse. The colors that I would personally like is brown, black, pink, or red. I know they have other colors, but personally those are the colors that I like. These bags are also pretty expensive. I'll put out the price. They are pretty expensive, so this would be a more like expensive gift as well. But a nice bag for a woman, your sister, your mom, whoever, I don't know. That will also be a really good gift. It doesn't matter what type of bag it is. It also depends on the person. You feel me? When you're buying gifts, you can't be buying gifts like, oh, I like this, so I'm gonna give it. You gotta make sure the gift that you're buying is gonna satisfy the person that you're buying it for, because this is not about you, this is about them. Okay? Period. All right, so next, this is also one of my personal, you know, on my Christmas wish list, the Yeezy slides. I believe the color that I like is called Bone. It's either Bone or Pure. I don't remember, but I think the one that I like is Bone. I also like the brown ones. I don't remember the name of those. And the regular just all black ones, those are nice too. But yeah, some Yeezy slides would be a really good gift. Even though it is winter, you know, I understand that. You can save them for summertime, period. Since we're on slides, those UGG slides are also a really good gift. Those are really cute. Me, personally, I don't know, they have so many different colors that I would like. They have the pink one, they have the black one, they have the brown ones. Those are the only ones that I would like. I don't know if they have any other colors. I'm really not sure, but those are the ones that I've seen that I liked, that for me personally I would like. So yeah, hint to any of my family members watching. So next really good gift, this is a real good gift, okay? This is a real good gift, and it's also on my wish list, but honestly these are way too expensive. I wouldn't want like these on the package. I wouldn't really want nobody in my family buying it for me. Like, I'll handle that, you get what I'm saying? Boyfriend, nobody, because they are pretty expensive. So it's the Rick Owens knee highs. Those, yo, those are so fire. Like, those are so fire. Those would make a really good gift. They are on the more expensive side, but it is Christmas, so. But those are a really nice gift as well. So next up I have Skims. So now Skims, I don't really know how I feel about Skims, because they're not like the regular affordable price, but they're not like high-end expensive. So they're like in between that. I don't know what that's called, but Skims would also be a really good gift for like a girl, your girlfriend, maybe your mother, your aunt, depending on their style, what they like to wear. Skims is a really good gift. They have dresses, matching sets, and I know they came out with something new recently. I'm not sure, I think it was just like different colors, but yeah, you just gotta watch those though, because they come and they go fast. So if that's what you're trying to get for Christmas, you gotta be on top of that, because they sell out quick. So next is the Fenty Beauty Body Bar. This is also on my personal Christmas wish list, along with the Skims too. I just want to make sure I'm putting this in here for my family if they're watching. So yeah, the Fenty Beauty Body Butter. I've been hearing a lot of praise about it. I think it's like a special Christmas edition one that came out, and it smells like cinnamon or something like that. I don't know, but I love body butters and stuff like that, but I just haven't found one that really is it for me. You get what I'm saying? So I would really like to try the Fenty Beauty one. Obviously, if I don't get it for Christmas, I'm gonna just buy it myself. But that would also make a really good Christmas gift, depending on the person. But who doesn't like a little body butter, a little, you feel me? That smells really good. Who doesn't like that? Exactly, so it would be a really good gift. Alright, so next I have a sweatsuit or like a matching set. Now I don't have any specific sweatsuits to like put in this to tell you guys about, but I will put a few pictures of like examples. Sweatsuits are in, it's winter time. Matching sets are in, it's winter time. It doesn't have to be a winter time matching set, but matching sets are in. They're simple, easy. I'm pretty sure whoever you buy for, they will definitely wear it and enjoy it because it's very convenient. It's also on my personal Christmas wish list too. I love me a sweatsuit and a matching set, period. So next I have the Mia Culpa. Those are so fire, and I know they range from like 90 something, but then the resale price is a little but those are a good gift. They're really cute. I love them personally. This is also on my personal Christmas wish list if I didn't say that already. But yeah, those beanies are really cute. They have so many different colors. You can make so many cute outfits with them. I know there's a lot of like, I'm not gonna say dupes, but I know there's a lot of people making similar beanies to this because they're so trendy and so many people are feeding for them. Not everybody can get to them, so I know a lot of people are making like different, but they're just making like the same type of beanie as this person, whoever created this brand, but it's just for like a cheaper, more affordable price. But yeah, the Mia Culpa beanies are good. So now I'm gonna end it off with something that's a little bit more affordable as well. And next I have candles. I know everybody loves candles. We're in the era of candles. Me personally, I don't really like candles like that. I just like them for the look. I like candles of a certain particular scent. I'm not a candles girl. I'm more of like an air freshener girl. Like I want my house to smell fresh. And if it's winter time, I'll give it a little mahogany teak wood. You feel me? Like something like that. But other than that, I'm an air freshener girl. Like I want my house to smell like a breath of fresh air. I don't really like sweet. I don't know. Candles are just, I'm just not a candle girl, but candles are a good gift. You can get a lot of them somewhere like Bath and Body Works. You can get some on Amazon. You can look it up on YouTube, do your research, because there's so many candle videos out there, trust me. So next I have perfume. Now you can get perfume from Bath and Body Works, Sephora, and then I have a particular brand, Marc Jacobs, because Marc Jacobs is the perfume that I love. It's in my mom's room. I don't feel like getting it, but that's the one that I love to use. And there's this other perfume, I don't remember the name of it, but I'll insert a picture, that I know a lot of people are using. Me personally, I've never used it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I like Bath and Body Works. I'm still in my Bath and Body Works era, like, because I wear perfume, but not all the time. Like I wear when I'm going out, like if I'm going somewhere. Other than that, I don't really be going nowhere, and I don't really be wearing perfume like that to have expensive perfume. Another perfume that I have is like Juicy Couture, and that smells really good. I feel like I'm good with my Marc Jacobs and my Juicy Couture. I feel like I'm good. Other than that, I'm using Sweet Peach from Bath and Body Works. I'm using, what's that one I have? It's yellow sunflower something. That's what I'm using. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope I was able to help you out with a few gift ideas, and also I hope you guys enjoyed hearing about my Christmas wish list. And to all my family members out there, I love y'all, and I hope I gave y'all some great ideas for the holiday season. But yeah, I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. More content coming soon. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.